Hey, welcome to Farm Alarm. I'm Tracy.
I'm Ashley.
I'm Henry.
Baker Creek Seed Planting Festival, day 1. Stay tuned. So people are rolling in by the droves. You can see most of the campers behind us here. Everybody was here last night except for just a few campers that are parked right over here next to our bus. But none of these cars right here, none of these were here last night. Everybody started rolling in this morning, and then you could see that whole hillside up there that is loaded with cars as well.
Well, come here, young man. Let me have some of that. Let me have some of them. Hold on. I'll give you some greenback back, okay? You look like you need some spending money. It's a 40 caliber. You like that? You're a little cowboy, ain't you? I can tell by looking at you. Well, you have fun, little cowboy.
So we met up here with Chris at Shalom Acres. You'll find him on YouTube as well. But he kind of transitioned over to Steam-it, is that right?
Yes, yeah, I've been doing some posting over on Steam-it, trying to keep the educational front still all based on homesteading and just kind of a little bit more on life, what's been happening kind of on our homestead.
Smoked salt. Look at that. That's all the episodes.
Want to get some of that? Want to get some smoked salt?
Yeah.
This is a beaver I pulled out of the Merrimack River near St. Louis. It's a tributary of the Mississippi and Missouri. And so this beaver was one of 12 I pulled out of one creek.
Wow.
You know, out of maybe a week and a half time. And so this was the prettiest one that I liked the most because it's got the blonde hairs on it. Yeah, and so that's kind of a rarity amongst beavers.
So what are you guys doing here at Baker Creek?
Just, we're selling a lot of the homemade stuff we sell. We teamed up with Shalom Acres and selling some of their salves and some of their seeds and even some aloe vera plants and our smoked salt and t-shirts and all kinds of stuff.
Awesome. Good deal. Good to see you.
Yeah.
Okay, if you guys look down here on this bottom shelf, this is that glass gem corn that Baker Creek had on their catalog front, I think it was last year.
On the hammers, and you just got to get on the list and wait. Okay. That's the only way that I can do it. Once I get enough people to make it worthwhile, then we'll run it going, didn't I?
Look who I ran into here, Doug, Baker's Creek. Dance it, Doug. Wow, that looks like you're gonna win that Cog Hill dance-off.
Yeah, the Cog Hill dance-off.
So what brings you to Baker Creek?
Well, we're speakers this year at the Baker Creek Spring Planting Festival, like we are every year. I even got my new Spiffy hat. And you know, we just like coming here and talking to all the different people and hanging out with like-minded folks. It's a beautiful day and exhausting, but we really enjoy it. And all you guys coming out to see Tracy and his family and there was a bunch of other people here, YouTubers that you guys are probably familiar with, and that's what, you know, is kind of neat about the whole thing, you know?
Absolutely. Awesome. Good to see you. Hey guys, I just met up with Ben and Andrea from BW Farm, and you might be thinking, BW, Volkswagen? No, they don't have a bunch of Volkswagens sitting around on their farm, but they do have a YouTube channel, and they're also on Facebook. I encourage you guys to go check them out.
So about 4 years ago.
So look who I ran into. It's Kip Smith from Thousands of Roots, and we just met him up here at the Baker Creek Seed Festival.
Yes, we're homesteading channel. We've got 20 acres that we bought. We built an off-grid cabin. We do rainwater catchment, so we don't have a well. Compost and toilet. All of the plumbing in the house is gravity fed from a tank that I put up real high. We have dairy cows. We have geese, ducks, chickens, and 6 children. Probably the best thing we're at growing on our homestead is children.
Well, good deal, man. I appreciate you, and thanks for meeting up with us.
It's really good meeting you.
Yeah, good to see you.
You as well.
Here, if you've never seen it,
A stainless steel plate. Stay tuned.
Yes, sir. We're looking for some stainless steel water.
I poked you because
Wow, very heavy. We got 4 of them. Look at here, buddy. We got plates. Here, they don't smell like anything. All right, we're all stocked up on stainless steel stuff here. Time to go make a meal. Yeah, time for dinner. What do you think, Henry? Are you hungry? I think your hat's seen better days, buddy. That thing's got some holes in it. Yeah, that must be air conditioning holes. Wow, I'm wore out.
me too. My arms hurt just from carrying everything. We're all exhausted and ready for supper and just to relax.
Are you wore out too, buddy? Is that what that means? Your hat got pretty tore up today, huh? Yeah, there's lots of holes in it.
Yeah.
You're not going to wear.
I'm not gonna wear. Gonna have to get a new one. Huh?
Yeah.
Maybe we could sew that one up. What do you think?
Maybe Doug can get us a new one.
Yeah, maybe. We got some stainless steel cups. Speaking of.
Or maybe Doug can give me his hat.
Oh, maybe Doug can give you his hat.
Yeah, we'll see what he says. But we got some more stainless steel cups. We've got some Lindy's cups. We got 4 of them over here last year.
I think we got 3.
Nope, we got 4.
We did get 4? Oh, okay.
And we found 7 of them this year, and that's all they had, so we bought those. Plus, we got some mug style.
Like a coffee mug style, yeah.
We got a little handle on them, and
then we got some plate. I got those plates. That was really cool. Stacy had mentioned something about she got some stainless steel plates that she really liked. So we checked the store out. Ended up bringing home what 4
of them. Yeah.
4 of them. So we have we have our own little stainless steel collection starting. So that's pretty cool.
Ooh, tired.
I'm so tired, and I have to cook supper now.
Yeah, we talked to a lot of other YouTubers today, so we'll be doing some. You'll be seeing some collaboration videos coming out on those, but
we got to hang out.
That's gross.
We even got to just hang out with some YouTubers, some good friends.
Yeah, we hung out with Jake and Becky
Yeah.
for a good while
Yeah,
today.
the boys played together great.
Yeah, we
It was a lot of fun.
Lorella from Not a Farm Girl, and we met up with a couple people that watch our channel, so that was a lot of fun. Just to say hi to them, and but yeah. Hey guys, we don't want to bore you any longer. We thank you for watching our video. Look at Henry in the back here. Hey, stop that. Crazy. Alright, we will see you guys on the next video. Here, right there.